Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 0 to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Arceus X crash problem. So many users facing this problem that Arceus X got crashed many times. So how to fix this problem I will tell you by step. So if you like this video, then subscribe our channel and share this video to more and more people. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open your Play Store. So in Play Store you need to search DNS changer. So you need to search it, and after you searching, so blue icon apps DNS came at top of the Google Play Store. So you need to click on it and you need to install it. So after you installing this app, what you need to do, so when you install this app, you need to apply this DNS changer in your device, and after applying this DNS changer, you need to open your Arceus X game and try to play, and all your crashing problem that you are facing in Arceus X is solved, and there is no error and there is no crashing. So in this way you can fix this problem. I hope you like this video, and if your problem is solved, please comment down. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting and knowledgeable videos.